Ohad, would you like to kind of introduce the concept of the DAO and the blockchain?
DAO is indeed something that intended to be an organization that is controlled by the users, that is decentralized. Typically, they do so by very basic means. So remember that I asked before, how can a large group of people can reach agreement? Well, voting. That's the method that comes to mind, and that's what existing DAOs basically do. But maybe to take a step ahead, there is one fundamental problem with voting. The problem is that even though everyone have equal right to vote, it is still not the case that everyone have effectively equal right to propose what to vote over. Because even if you have the right to propose, who is going to even read 1 million proposals a day? So even if everyone have right to propose, it is by no means effective. So what people do is create hierarchies that in particular determine what to vote over. But then you get huge loss of information. Your opinion, no matter how good it is or correct it is, will most likely not be incorporated. And this fundamental real-life problem is also reflected in the DAOs as we know them.
There's a few problems that you elucidated here. At present, one of the ways that everyone is familiar with in terms of making group decisions, large group decisions, is voting. But there are some problems with voting. Also, as you said, even just integrating everyone's feedback, that's a huge problem. And that goes to the problem of anytime you have more than 10 people in a room, you can't hear everyone. You can't get everyone's opinion. But then if you get to the scale of thousands, millions, whatever, you have to delegate or create hierarchies. One of your points is that DAOs have not fully solved this problem yet. So this is something that differentiates the DAO network from an ordinary decentralized autonomous organization, correct?
Yes, very much. You can look at it as the economical term of diminishing returns. So in economy, diminishing returns, like a typical example is that each new team member in a company contributes less than the next one. So if you have 10 people and you add another one, it's not going to be 10% addition, it's going to be less. Similarly, in discussions, if you double the number of participants, you are not going to get double the outcome. And at some point, you are going to get negative outcome. And indeed, our solution solves this problem completely, in the sense that if you will have 100 times more people, you will have 100 times more utility, at least.
That is a big claim, but I believe it.